Good evening, YouTubers. It's me again, Nice Kid Gamer Music Lover, and I'm back with a bonus episode of the GED tutorials. And this is the epilogue episode. And this episode, I'm shouting out to my two favorite YouTube tutors, Get Some Math and Test Prep Champions. If it wasn't for you guys, I don't know what I would do without your help and all, because I did have a hard time with the science, social studies, and reading. So yeah, but I easily got the math right away when I first took my very first test, because math is my strongest. I'm strong in numbers and all. So yeah, if it wasn't for you guys, I don't know what I would do. And I'm glad I watch your videos and you guys exist and all, and you guys truly helped me a lot, big times. So yeah, I love you guys so much and all, and continuing tutoring the other GED students who need their help. So yeah, so I'll put the link in the description so you can follow them. It'll be three links. 1, Get Some Math channel, 2, Test Prep Champions channel, and 3, the Get Some Math website so we can do some worksheets. So yeah, so check those guys out. If all the GED students needs help, check those guys out, and so they can help you and all by watching their videos, and they can teach you some stuff that you're not good at. So yeah, so give them a shot. And yeah, so that's all for the GED tutorials, and I hope you guys can do it. If you guys are GED students, you got this, and study hard and stay focused. This is just a quick episode and all, and that'll be it for the GED tutorials. So yeah, so anyway guys, this has been Nice Kid Gamer Music Lover. So yeah, so also happy August 1st, and school is back in session. It'll be a good time for you. It'll be a good time for the GED students to start studying, because school is back in session. So yeah, school is back in session, because today's the first day of August and school is back in session. So yeah, so this school year it'll be perfect time for you guys to watch those two tutors. If you're new or recent and have a hard time, watch those guys so they can help you and all. So yeah, so anyway, make sure you hit the follow button right here, notification. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, notification on. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to your channel. Also, Nice Kid Gamer Music Lover. Add me on Snapchat with your fan dude and follow me at Digital Gamers. IP. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, notification on. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and follow me on Twitch. Also, Nice Kid Gamer Music Lover. Add me on Snapchat with your fan dude for a big charge. Digital Gamers. Sorry, in case I say YouTube, I meant Twitch. My bad, Twitch. All 4 my social medias are Nice Kid Gamer Music Lover, the same channel as YouTube. So yeah. So anyway, hope you guys have a good night, a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're going on a morning run, after walk, evening like start going to school and all. Since school is back in session, be careful out there. Don't go around many people. Protect your loved ones and stay safe. Excuse me, sorry. I'm talking about my entire earth is spread all over the country and all. People in cities as well, cities, counties, zip codes, areas, suburbs, balloons, towns, and all sorts of stuff and all. So yeah. So anyway, good luck in school. You got this. Stay focused. Study really hard, and no goofing off. So yeah. I did goof off though when I was in high school and all. So yeah, I used to goof off when I was in high school. But I'll never make that same mistake again. Also, yeah. So anyway, enjoy your school year for all the GED students, for recent and new ones. So yeah. So anyway, check out Get Some Math and Test Prep Champions. Again, you guys are truly the best. I love you guys so much for helping me out, and I'm glad you're there for me and all. So yeah. So anyway, check those guys out so they can help you, and you can easily pass your GEDs. So yeah. So anyway, I'm out. So take care. I love you. God bless. And peace out.